So I'm hearing a lot of y'all out there struggling with math, trying to teach your kids math. So I need a raise. But I figured I'd record these videos, help you out. One topic I got a question for, synthetic division. What's synthetic division? Synthetic division is just finding if what you're asking for is a factor of something else, right? Hold on, let me say this. I'm gonna make these videos short, it's sweet, I'm gonna teach you how to do it. Your teachers might not like it, doesn't matter. I got about 3 to 5 minutes to teach you how to do this. You may never use this again, but are you gonna use this right now to pass? And I'm gonna make sure that you're gonna pass, all right? So let's do it. So you might see them ask the question in terms of, it might say this, is x plus 2 a factor? Or it'll give it to you like this, find g of -2 using synthetic division, right? And they gave me this whole big long mess of a problem. All right, synthetic division is just simply division, all right? You just do it in a fancy mathematical way, all right? So what you do is, if I'm using this, I'm gonna take this as -2, same thing. If you have it like this, you take the opposite of what you see. That's +2, the opposite of that is -2, right? So I have -2, I'll put it out here. And then what you wanna do is you wanna list all your coefficients. Coefficients, just a big word for a number, right? You wanna list all the numbers that's in front of your exponents, right? And you wanna make sure that they count down. Your exponents have to count down. If they don't count down, then you have to use zeros or placeholders. We'll do a problem like that. Just give me a second, let's do this problem. Here we go, right? So I got 24, 35, -20, 16, and 8. First thing you're gonna do, 24, that first number, you always bring it down. Now, it might not always be 24, doesn't matter what it is, you always bring that first number down, right? And then from there, the process is multiply and add, right? So -2 times 24, that's -48, right? Now, what I'm saying is when you're in here, you're gonna add. Now, clearly, these are different signs, so we're gonna subtract. So when I mean add, I'm just talking about combining the numbers together, right? So I should say combine. So let's combine these numbers. 35 minus 48, it's -13, right? And then you continue doing that process till you get to the end, because the end is what you're looking for, right? So then I got -2 times -13, that is a positive 26. -20 plus 26 is positive 6, right? -2 times 6 is -12. 16 minus 12 is 4, right? -2 times 4 is 8, -8. And then what I have here is 0, right? Now 0 is what they're looking for. So if they give you this whole problem here, and they say find g of -2 using synthetic division, what that means is that g of -2 equals 0. Now what that 0 tells me is that this is a factor of that, which means that it can divide evenly into that. And if I want to, you want to impress your teachers, you want to write this whole thing out. Because I started at x to the 4th power, I just dropped down 1. And here it is. So I got, you know what? You get fancy on it. We in quarantine. I ain't teaching a while. Hold on. Let me use another color. We're gonna do x to the 3rd. It's already minus, right? It's negative minus is the same thing. X squared plus x plus 4. And then we have no remainder there. This is what it would look like. So if I did this times that, that'll give me this whole thing. That's synthetic division. Hope you learned something. YouTube channel coming soon. Make sure you subscribe. I'm going to need 500,000 views in a year so that I could be like that little kid who made $20 million off of YouTube. I need my $1 million because I don't get paid enough. Y'all enjoy. Hope you learned something.